Froggy?
Froggy.
Where's Froggy? Where'd he go? There he is.
Froggy.
Does he go in your ear? Does a froggy go in your ear? No. Does he go in your eye? No. Go in your nose? No. Does he go in your mouth? Ah! Oh goodness, I'm sorry. Where'd he go? Where'd Froggy go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Here he is. There he is.
Here you go. Here you go.
You getting all my pillows?
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Where's Froggy? Oh, thank you, Kaya.
Froggy.
Oh.